everyone should be staying safe this season. And if you're one of the people that has to go out in the world on Halloween, maybe you're an essential worker, and thank you so much for what you do, by the way. Let's make sure that we are masking up, and we have so much real estate to play with up here. Let's play with some eyeliner, some colors, some paints. Let's accentuate the eyes. Get as creative as you would like, but stay above the cheekbone. This is a look that I saw floating around the internet for the past couple of weeks that I definitely wanted to give a try for myself. We got a little bit of a bat wing going on, but we're gonna hop into it. So grab some supplies. If you need some help, just let me know and I'll take you through it right now. Let's go. Okay, we're gonna start. Oh, it looks dark in here. I forgot to turn on my backlight. Anyways, we're gonna prime and put on some foundation in the top half of our face. Feel free to put it all over, but with the mask, we're just gonna keep it to the top half. And then I'm gonna go ahead and start to define my brows, making a nice dark brow, elongated brow. I feel like with a lot of these eye looks, they create a lot of space between the hood of the eye, like the crease, and that whole upper lid is where the design takes place. So I tried to really give as much space as I could by elongating the brow and bringing that out. When we move into the color portion of this, I'm starting with a bright yellow shade as close to on top of the brow bone as I can, following it in with an orange shade right beneath it, and then going in with an angled liner brush with my brown eyeshadow to start to cut out that cut crease. Then just flicking the brush up to blend the brown in and blending all those colors together. Now going in with an eye base to the lid of the eye to help define that, and then swooping that out, kind of canceling out any color that's there. You can see it better on this side. I'm just gonna find that angle that we want and then kind of swoop and cancel out that color. Using a liquid eyeliner, we are going to run parallel to the line we just erased to bring that all the way out, and then from the cut crease portion, bringing it down to make a cross there. We're gonna round out that middle peak to create the middle part of the bat wing, and we're gonna do a peak on the left of that and a peak on the right as well. There's probably a bunch of ways that you can do this. This just seemed like the easiest way to me, and it wasn't easy at all, honestly, but you know, this is what we got. And then once I felt, you know, not at all confident with the shape, I just moved in to bring the eyeliner across the eye, and then I just prayed to the holy Jeebus to make it even on the other side, and I'm pretty sure we know how that's gonna turn out. Spoiler alert, it's not even. But I follow the line out to create the wing and then cross it from the cut crease down to make that pivotal middle point. I connected it on this side first, but then creating the other 2 points, one on either side. And bringing that line across. 2 totally different shapes that don't look anything like each other whatsoever, but that's okay because we're gonna move on and pretend that it's fine. I put some black eyeshadow under my eye, and then using some white paint, just dabbed the very tip of this angled brush to bring some dots onto my upper lid, above my eyebrow, and then surrounding this black bat wing shape. I then touched up the eyeliner with black eyeshadow to just fill in any gaps and set the powder for a longer lasting wear. This really did kind of help bring it together, and here is our final look. Okay, so here's a nice little eye look. A little bit more complicated than I thought, and I don't know if this is the one for me because we know I cannot do my eyeliner similarly at all, even on a good day. And with all of these details, they definitely look a little bit different, but I think that that's okay. Like, we're not professional makeup artists, and so it's okay that it's not totally perfect, because if anybody's going to be judging you on that type of stuff, like, is that really the people that you want in your circle anyways? But this is gonna Definitely go the extra mile of putting in that effort and getting the festive feeling for the holiday season. This is fun. I don't know what the inspiration is for this. It makes me feel like deer and like a fawn with the oranges and the yellows and then the white dots like you see on like a fawn's body. A little fawn's body. But then you get this like black bat wing feature of the eyeliner, and I'm like, I don't know what we're channeling here. It's a couple different things, but it's fun. You can put some big dramatic false lashes on this if you want. Take it up another notch. We can all have fun this Halloween season, and we don't even have to leave our house. But if we do, especially if we're an essential worker, thank you so much for everything that you do. You guys rock. If you're an essential worker and you have to leave the house, but you want to do something fun, just go ahead and have fun with the eyes. And this way you can keep a mask on and keep everybody safe. If there's a look you see floating around Pinterest that you would like for me to try, go ahead and tag me in it and I will definitely add it to the list, see what I can do before the end of October. Feel free to use the link below in the description for a free consultation. Ask me any question that you would like. I would be happy to get the answers to you or help point you in the direction of what you're looking for. Check out our other Halloween looks in October, as well as the beauty tutorials that we had through September that also focus on accentuating the eyes and mask-friendly makeup. As always, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Maybe check out mine and my husband's channel. We put out new videos every Monday, just for the sillies and the giggles. Makeup is fun. Don't take yourself too seriously. Just have some fun. Take some chances. Be bold. I believe in you. I love you. Happy holidays.